Hi everyone, my name is Doug and I live here in Hawaii, in the Big Island. And I want to tell you a small story. I've been following two amazing people that they have become family, friends. They're amazing. I started following them on a YouTube channel because I wanted to build my house. And I started searching for people that was for real and that they seemed to know what they were doing, and I found Steve and Momma D. I subscribed to their channel and I started watching the whole process from beginning to end, and I was really impressed with what they were doing. And I reached out at them and I introduced myself, and I really wanted to meet them one time. You know, they were very, very busy building their house. And one day I was Home Depot here in Hawaii, and I happened to see a Nissan Leaf, and inside of it was Momma D. So I approached her. I said, "Hey Momma D, I'm Douglas and I follow you guys on YouTube." She immediately said, "Yes, I've seen your picture and we've seen your messages. Steve is over there on the register." So I look around and there he was, the man itself. I walked at him, I said hi, he recognized me as well, and I told him I admire what you guys are doing. So he said, "Well, whenever you want to come and see the place," and I gotta tell you, I was really, really impressed, because I've seen everything they've done from zero with their bare hands, and from coming from that, from just lava rock to this now. A beautiful house, finished, completely off-grid. It's just amazing. The house is beautiful. Everything works perfect. I want one of those, gotta tell you.
I'm going to start out going real slow to see if that helps. And supposedly these vents will even go through glass.
I tried them in tile and porcelain in Florida, and they were really good.
These kind of vents here?
Yep. I just got the single one though.
Yeah. And it worked okay for
Oh
you?
yeah. I started it slow and then just pushed right. I'm not very good at first, Steve. I don't want to go around. Just make the first little hole.
What I did that I found that works
Yeah.
is to put it on regular drill first.
Okay.
And then once you get it started, then put it to hammer. Sorry about that. I should have thought to say that. You able to get it?
Yeah.
No, none of the kids were working today at all, baby. No, I'm glad to hear that.
Seems good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Done.
Okay, so this is the toilet that we got for the home. It says it uses 2 to 5 pints per flush. This is the siphon breaker, and I think that's a 1/2 inch male pipe thread for the inlet. Most normal toilets use a 5/8 inch inlet. I think this is 1/2 inch. And then there's the flush valve. So we're going to install this and use this for the biodigester. That's it. Hot diggity. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, honey.
How's the toilet look there?
That looks awesome. Love it.
Okay, and that's the one down at the gate. And then this light here, see, I've set off the motion sensor on this one, and all the ground and everything's lit up around here. That's about like a 100 or at least a 75 watt light bulb. That's really worked out well. And then go over here to the house. I don't know if you can see these little torch lights that are lit up here. Now, the one over here, that's the candle on the deck. That's one of the LED torches. That's the other LED torch. And then that's one of the LED lights that we got at Walmart, just like the ones that I showed you over there. But let's get up here where we can see these torch lights better. But now doesn't that look just like a real fire?
I like it a lot. It's really nice. Sometimes our friends will come over at the end of the day, and then when they're walking home, they're using a flashlight to look down our driveway to see their way down the path, or down our driveway. So I like this a lot. It's awesome. Let's get 10 more of them.